Okay, good morning guys. In this video, we are going to discuss about SAP Fiori overview, design and development and deploy. This is the 4 weeks of content. I am going to show you content. Before going that, I am going to give the brief introduction for me. And if you want more updates, please subscribe our channel Sai ED Group 01. So I posted a lot of videos regarding SAP, like SAP model company and migration, and SAP ABAP on HANA and SAP ABAP, the basic courses. Now I am going to open my PPT regarding the syllabus. So yeah, okay. Myself, Sai Kumar, as SAP technical consultant, having 5 years of experience in implementation and S4 migration, cloud applications, and as well as I supported lot of projects. I have very good experience ABAP on HANA and objective oriented ABAP, UI5 and Fury cloud applications, SAP Ariba, and SAP R3 modules like MM and SD like material management and sales and distribution. Being able to work with company like top MNCs. So anyway, let's get started our scenario. So this is our SAP Fiori overview, design and development and deploy syllabus. The four weeks of content. The first week we are going to discussing about SAP Fiori overview. In the second week we are going to discussing about designing SAP Fiori app. In the third week we are going to discussing about deploying. So before going that developing SAP Fiori apps, I'm going to show you how to develop the SAP Fiori apps in the next couple of sessions. In the fourth week, we are going to discussing about managing SAP Fiori. So now next I'm going to show you sub content regarding the week 1. So in the week 1, we are going to discussing about SAP Fiori overview. The unit 1 introduction SAP Fiori. In the second unit, we are going to discussing about designing a great user experience. And unit 3 we are going to discussing about architecture of the overview. This is the one of the most important point of the architecture in the Fury. The fourth unit we are going to discussing about how to development the tools overview. In the fifth unit we are going to discussing how to do get SAP Fury up and running, how to run that particular SAP Fury app. In the second week we are going to discussing about designing SAP Fury app. So here the unit 1 we are going to discussing about why good designing matters. In the second unit we are going to discussing about exploring the SAP Fiori designing system. In the third unit we are going to discussing about designing with SAP Fiori. In the fourth unit we are going to do some hands-on designing, so it will take some, that's why we're going to create 2 parts. In the fifth unit we are going to discussing about same hands-on designing. We have continued that particular designing part 1. In the sixth unit, we are going to discussing about best practice and tools for the SAP Fiori design. Now, next in the third week, the developing SAP Fiori apps, we are going to discussing how to use the SAP Business Application Studio to development SAP Fiori apps in the first unit. So now next in the unit 2 we are going to discussing about building modern web applications with SAP UI5 like HTML, CSS, JavaScript. The third unit we are going to discussing about accelerating the app development with SAP Fiori elements. So a lot of Fiori elements are available. We'll tell you one by one, and what the purpose of the Fiori element we'll show you in the next couple of sessions. In the fourth unit we are going to discussing about developing OData services like open data protocols for SAP Fiori application. I already posted one SAP OData services. So could you please check our channel? Then we'll get a lot of knowledge for the OData. So anyway, let's show you how to do the OData services. In the unit 5, we are going to show you simplifying the classic transaction screens at SAP screen persona. So in the unit 6, we are going to discussing about how to build iOS apps. So like how to create an apps and how to deploying on the apps and all those things. In the 7th unit, we are going to discussing about how to creating Android apps natively or with mobile development kit. No worry, I'm going to show you next couple of sessions. I'm going to show you how to create Android apps with the help of SAP Fiori. The week 4, we are going to do how to managing the SAP Fiori. So here, the first unit we are going to discussing about understanding the SAP Fiori content. In the second unit, we are going to discussing about activating the SAP Fiori out of the boxes. So in the third unit, we are going to do some configuration SAP Fiori launchpads. In the fourth unit, we are going to do some supporting SAP Fiori. In the fifth unit, we are going to some establishing central SAP Fiori launchpad. I am going to show you next couple of sessions. No worry. So anyone contribute this video, please scan and pay. Who is going to pay will send entire documentation, including coding also, with a live explanation, and click at the doubts. My Skype ID, my contact number, and this is my email ID. So more updates, please subscribe our channel, then hit the bell icon, then we'll get a lot of notification for the next couple of videos. Do you have any real-time requirement? Please send to me my email ID. This is my mobile number. So I will give online training also with real-time business scenarios and hands-on coding. The duration like a 4 weeks and fees was 999 only. The weekend batches like Saturday, Sunday, timing was 6 a.m. to the 6 p.m. And the big days batches like 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. will give the documentation on online servers at the limited time. So the one of the most important points how to make an experience resume with real-time projects. So before we have more updates, please subscribe our channel. Thank you guys.